guys.
Flew all the way to Washington, D.C. and we're finally reunited. Yay, yay. Because we went to Washington, D.C. and then she's 14 and I'm 15. So she's an unaccompanied minor and I'm not. The guard person, she took her and then she was like, you're coming with me. And then she was stuck in a room for literally 6 hours. Like, I was gonna come with her because I was like, we're traveling together.
Good afternoon, everyone. If you were just now boarding,
No, you didn't pay for this.
Yeah, she was like, you didn't pay for this, so get out.
Ladies
And
and gentlemen, we
I was
ask
like,
you to please
okay.
hang back back.
I was
This is not
all
a rush.
alone in the freaking
And
airport.
so
It
trying
was
to make as
scary.
much
I
room
was
for the
so
rollerboards as we
lonely.
possibly
And
can.
then I came to see
If
her.
a bin
I was literally,
that
I
means it is
opened the
full.
door and then the lady,
Please
she
put your
slammed the
rollerboards
door
up
in my
and then
face.
first
She was like,
available
wait
assigned
there. And I was like, okay.
any
And
particular
then Selena
bin.
had to come out.
I thought we were gonna eat together.
And then she just left me there. But now I'm here. And I spent 6 hours in the airport. But it's okay. Life is great. Now we're on the new plane and we're on our way to New York City. That's the coffee I got. I asked for the gingerbread coffee and they were like, we ran out of gingerbread. I'll give you sugar cookie flavor. And I was like, oh, that sounds good. And guess what? It tastes terrible. It tastes like weed, bro. It's terrible. It tastes like the way it smells. Never, ever, ever. What's up, vlog?
What's up, guys?
Right now, we are on the plane. Look outside. Oh, it actually looks like
That is cool.
like Arya, and then we're gonna go there, and then we're just gonna drive us to New York City, and then we're gonna go to Bryant Park, and then we're going to eat food. Also, I hate someone who's that Subscribe. Hey vlog, right now we just got off the plane from New York City. We're on our way to New York City and we're going to go to Bryant Park. Oh my god! Yay! Yeah. Look, this is Wenshu. Did you miss me? Bye. For the vlog. Hey vlog, right now we're in Bryant Park. Still in Bryant Park. We're just walking. You can see the skyscrapers and you can see all the little shops. How cute. And it's awesome here. We just left Bryant Park and now we're outside it and we're going to Saks on 5th. Right now we are crossing the street and where are we going? Saks 5th Avenue Extra. We're walking back to our car because we are very tired and it is time for us to go home. We got up at 3 a.m. Because once we go home, we're going to go to the grocery store across the street from Wenshu's house and we're going to get SpongeBob ice cream. Yay! This is for you!
Oh wow!
Go go!
Maybe later.
I got this bracelet for you.
What?
Oh my god, I needed this!
I got you this.
Me!
A shirt. Wenshu had a Trump collection. You know how she had like Trump magnets? So I thought it was funny.
Oh my god, this was the one you showed me!
So we're back again and went home. We ate some yummy sushi. I forgot to take a picture. Who's about to take sushi? Are you kidding? Oh, you're taking pictures. You don't want to have pictures. Okay, we're going so many places. Selena shipped her package to Wenshu's house. Here we are doing a haul. And yeah. Just closed the trunk and we just went to shop rice.
Oh yeah,
Right.
shop rice.
So we got supplies for making slime, cookies, tanghulu, and pizza. We're making tanghulu. That's our boiling hot sugar, and that's that's the fruit. And it's not working. The sugar isn't sticking.
It's flavored sugar.
But look, our pizza's ready. Yay! This is so good. This is so good.
It's good.
So we just showered. We're nice and clean now. Now we're going to put on these cute little face masks. Guys, we just came downstairs to check on the tanghulus, and they're hard. I don't know if it's because the sugar hardened or because it froze. Cheers.
That one wasn't crunchy at all.
That wasn't good.
Oh my god!
Wenshu, why are you looking at that? That is so weird.
Okay.
Wenshu.
Wenshu.
Look up the stairs. Are you texting? You guys are so
Who
weird.
are you texting?
What?
Ooh, no.
So why do you keep?
I want a picture of me making a little kissy face and then a picture of you making a little kissy face in this so that when I close it, they're kissing.
Hey vlog, right now we're about to get out of the house and we're going to go on the subway soon. And then we'll go to New York City again. And then we're going to go to Hudson Yards. Yeah. She looks so cute. You look like an Asian baddie.
Literally APG.
I remember when I lost my mind. Guys, we should start an acapella. Now we're in a sushi restaurant called Momo, yeah. Like, you said sushi. Eat. Eat? Uh-huh. Yay. Is it good? Selena's dropping everything. We just got ready. We're in the balloon museum. Yay! Look how cool. It says we can hug and we can touch them.
How we're not twin right now, bro.
Whoa!
Hey, stand there.
So oh my gosh, Wenshu! Give me some more time. Wenshu, you first. Yay!
Oh, yeah.
Wenshu doesn't know where to go.
Yeah, I'm scared.
And we're going to Subway.
Yeah. Subway. It smells like bathroom.
It's so scary here.
Just going to do a complete haul. Yay! I got this. Dude, these are for my sisters. This. Christmas cards. They were on sale, 70% off. Really cute. And I got ribbon. This. $2.
Okay, two.
Tonight. This for my sister. It's a chopstick helper thing for myself.
But same thing. This,
Look.
literally, this,
I know, right?
Nike hoodie.
How many things did you get?
6
Total.
Right now, Wenshu is FaceTiming her grandma.
快过去一点。
Here, eating noodles.
Okay, Selena's gonna eat kimchi. You guys ready? 1, 2, 3. It is disgusting, bro.
Guys!
Hey guys, get ready with me to go ice skating. This is what I have so far. Guess I'm gonna add more foundation to my forehead.
Hi guys, her hair's tangled.
No, you're so mean. Guys, I tried to do it. Hey vlog. Right now we're in front of Bloomingdale's. It's the mall. We've been here for about 5 hours now.
5 hours.
I got this, and we all got matching ones. And then I got this. It was like $9. Next, I got this. Whoa. I'm gonna tie it back. Then I got this. It's like a super long.
Oh,
this
perfect.
was $7? No, I think that might be it. In Selena.
I got the same shirt, the Snoopy one from Hollister.
Oh, right. All 3 of us got matching necklaces. Wow. This. Oh my god. This got a so
H&M.
Oh my god. Really good. This shirt. This Snoopy one. From.
Oh, you got that?
Yeah.
From where?
Aeropostale.
Oh, you
Wide leg jeans.
Oh, Whoa. Oh, here's a good watermelon.
You're on the phone with your girlfriend, she's upset. She's going off about something that you said, but she doesn't get your.
Yeah, it's like what the graphic we use, right?
There's pizza. We ate so much.